I mess with it. I mess with it. Only thing is, it's like one little part that like kind of messed up. Electric Mustang. How y'all feel about them? Y'all peep this right here, man. What y'all think about that Porsche back there, man? I think that bit was hard. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Look, C8 right there. And a Mustang. I don't know if it's a 5.0. But, man, today we are back with another POV drive, as y'all can see from the thumbnail and the title, man. I'm going to start bringing y'all a lot more videos, a lot more POVs. I might actually start dropping multiple videos a day. We're going to see, though. Don't hold me to that yet. But let's go ahead and get into this bit, man. Smell like fire out there, bit. Y'all let me know if y'all want me to pull out my GoPro. Like, go find one of my videos where I use the GoPro, and let me know if y'all want to start. If y'all want me to start back using the GoPro, cause I slid misusing the GoPro. I just don't like the quality sometimes. But then when I look back at it, it's actually not that bad. I just seen the police back that big, bro. Them boys is out today, I ain't gonna lie. That's why I let my stunt driver drive that bit. I wish my burbles was louder. I don't even know if y'all be able to hear the burbles, but they do be burbling a little bit. And then another thing with my GoPro, if I get my GoPro back and I start dropping videos on my GoPro again, I can use 2 hands instead of 1 hand. Let me roll the windows up. We ain't getting crazy. Look at that Cybertruck, man. Y'all like the color combination on that bit? Tan and black. It wasn't that bad. I ain't gonna lie. I wouldn't get one though, but that bit was kind of smooth. While we sitting at that red light, let me show y'all. Y'all see all this pollen in here? I don't even know if y'all can really see it on the cam, but like, I got pollen all in here. Like, y'all see the little specks? Oh my goodness, like. Pollen. That's why I keep that closed, because it be pollen all in there too. But like, I got pollen everywhere. Like, look at this. This is terrible. Y'all let me know if y'all cars like that. I got new floor mats, right? So I put new floor mats in here, and when I was putting them in here, like every time I open the door, like a whole bunch of pollen just blow on the inside, and I can see it like stick to my seats and everything. Like, I hate that. Pollen be killing me, I can't lie. I be having to take my little allergy medicine. But I am currently on the way to the gun range right now. Y'all let me know if y'all want gun range vlogs. Like, when I go to the gun range, I just vlog for y'all. I'm still thinking about starting a gun channel. But y'all let me know if y'all want to see that, man. I forgot I need to change the brakes on that car too. I've been putting it off for a little minute, I ain't gonna lie. It's only the rear that need to be changed, but I'm thinking about it, I might as well change all 4. That make the most sense. I just gotta get a jack. I got everything else I need, I just need a jack. Y'all see how yellow it is? Man, my car not even yellow, bro. Like, that's that pollen, bro. That bit is too bad. You park your car anywhere for 2 seconds, bro, you covered in pollen. Don't matter if you just washed it. Don't matter if you just put it out the garage. That bit finna get dirty. And I be feeling like my car be dirtier than everybody else's car. I don't know why. It just be seeming like that. Maybe because it's my car and I pay closer attention to my junk. But yo, I swear that what it seems like every time. But then certain folks, they'll look at my car, they'll be like, did you wash your car? It look clean. Nobody trying to race, ain't he? I'm gonna have to let you win this race, my boy. I ain't gonna lie. See, y'all hit the brakes? Or was that his shit? Maybe that was his shit. I don't know. Come on, man. Light green. Let go. Let go, man. I don't know if y'all just peeped, but that boy car definitely had, when he hit the gas, that bitch got down, front end popped up like a straight hog. Well, yo, let me make that light real quick, man. I was gonna keep straight. Charger. Electric Mustang. How y'all feel about them? I heard they were supposed to be making like literally like electric Mustangs, like the one like regular Mustangs. I don't know how true that is though. I want to show y'all my new diffuser, so I made a little pit stop. Y'all like it? Y'all mess with it? I mess with it. Only thing is, it's like one little part that like kind of messed up, but I ain't even tripping on it. And then I couldn't get one screw in there, so like, yeah, there's that. But that be a little smooth to me, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think. I don't know who car that is, but that boy junk is. Hey, I don't know what to say about that one. I ain't gonna lie. Folks done crashed over that bit. Damn. Dang, bad accident. So with them boys. And Shawty right here do hair. So if y'all wanna get y'all hair did to hit her up, you know what I'm saying? She'll get y'all right. I guarantee you it ain't even a girl driving that car. It's a nigga driving that bit. So really, that nigga do hair. We gonna see. Light green. Now it might be a girl. They took that long to go at the light. Gotta be a girl. Let's see. A nigga, just like I said. I wish I could just round through all these cars and just keep going like GTA. And I just left the gun range. Y'all can't see it, but it's over there. But now we finna slide out, go get some little ice cream or something. You feel me? A little snow cone. Y'all see we got what that is? I guess that's a Stingray. Vet, oh vet. I can't pop it how I want to pop it because it's 12 right now. Hey, y'all see that Ferrari back there? Y'all probably can't even see that bit. That bit is smooth though. Look like some hood niggas shit. Y'all say we in the goddamn traffic and shit. Hit that bit. Let me see if it's a demon. Yeah, that bit not no demon. That nigga got a fake demon, don't he? I don't know. That bit could be a demon. Them folks got tired of Trump now. They talking about dump Trump. What that sign say? Dump Trump. Bro, one of those signs say dump Trump and some muskrat. Y'all folks in 2 lanes, huh? Hey YouTube, man, I'm gonna end the video right here. I know y'all want to see more. I want to see more too, but the traffic picking up and everything, so I gotta wrap this video up. Y'all see what time it is. They ain't no 5 o'clock, so everybody out right now. But I'm gonna drop another video for y'all soon. Y'all folks stay tuned and everything. Make sure y'all subscribe, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next, man. Go.